Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 2nd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading flat this morning at 29.23 per contract. All in all, you can see that the futures were a bit higher than they've slipped a little bit. Right now, they're really at the flat line, so we won't make too much out of this. We'll see what we get today. Yesterday, we did have a little sell-off after the Federal Reserve announcement was made. We'll see what we get today. I wouldn't make too much out of yesterday's action until we see a follow-through move or some volume pickup. Yesterday's decline still was on very, very light volume. All right, in the meantime, let's get to stocks in the news. We're going to start the day off with Qualcomm. QCOM is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at $87.20, closed at $86.37. You're going to see initially after the earnings announcement, the stock really sunk, got below $82. Now it has recovered, and it's right back up, and it's in positive territory now. So all in all, Qualcomm holding steady. Stock has had a great move if you look at a daily chart. You had that big surge after the Apple agreement, and now the stock is really just consolidating sideways. So I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. We will look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. But for now, let's just watch the chart and see if it gives us some kind of a pattern or setup, and then we could take some action. Next up, I want to take a look at Cree. I'm going to have a gap level for this one. This is a pretty good fall. So the stock closed at $64.78, now trading at $57.72. So Cree has had a dynamite move, and now it's coming back in. I have gap levels ready to go. And again, they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a great 2019. Earnings season has been fantastic. So come on over, trade right alongside of us. Cree will be in play this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at Cirrus Logic. CRUS is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $48.20, closed at $48.08. Nothing really wrong here from what I see. When I look at the stock this morning, it's holding up fine. Full disclosure, I do own put options on CRUS. Next up, I want to take a look at Square. SQ is ticker symbol here. We're probably going to have some levels for this if this does come down. Right now, the stock closed at $73.62. Had a nice plunge yesterday. Has recovered. Right now, trading at $71.10. So again, not too much that we could do with this one at the moment. But we will keep Square on the radar today. And this stock usually presents some good chart patterns, or some good levels, I should say, in the intraday action. So we'll see what it gives us. Again, we'll be looking at Square once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at PSA, which is Public Storage. Stock is trading at $222, closed at $221.98. We're not going to make much out of that. Let's take a look at Under Armour. UAA is a ticker symbol here. Stock getting a nice pop today. Closed at $22.03. Now trading at $23.72. So good little move there for Under Armour. A lot of resistance around the $25.50 to $26 level. Just be aware of that. Next up, I want to take a look at Dunkin' Brands. DNKN, or better known as Dunkin' Donuts. Stock right now trading at $75.08. Closed at $73.55. Upticking a little bit here. Nothing terrible. When I look at the stock, even if it does come down, there's still going to be a fair amount of support around 72, so keep that on the radar. But right now it is trading higher, so I don't really see any problems in the name. Next up, I want to take a look at RDS.A, Royal Dutch Shell. Stock right now trading at $64.36, closed at $62.71. Nice little pop there. $66 to $67 is a wall of resistance, so just be aware of that. If you own the shares, trail the stop loss. Next up, I want to take a look at Tesla. They did not report earnings today, but it looks like they did a stock offering and they raised some capital, and the market seems to like it. Tesla right now trading up about $10 at $244 a share, closed at $234.01. So Tesla in play. I happen to think Tesla has a lot of support down here at $235, $240 on the chart. So that's a good little move today. We'll see if it's sustainable by the closing bell. Next up, want to take a look here at ticker symbol W. That is Wayfair. Stock right now trading at $154.25. Closed at $163.51. That's a nice little haircut. I have a level ready for it, but it's lower. I'm going to give that out in the intraday stock chat room if we need it. So again, still got lower to go for me. But we will keep this one on the radar. Let's take a look at CAR, which is Avis Budget. Stock right now trading at $32.50. No massive volume behind it, so we got to be a little bit careful here. I happen to see a daily chart gap fill on this name right around $29.63. If we put that together with some other factors, we'll probably come up with a good level. So I'm going to probably have some levels ready to go today on CAR, which is Avis Budget. And again, we'll be looking at that one in just a little while. Next up, we want to take a look at FLIR Systems. FLR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting annihilated. Closed at $39.15. Now trading at $33.48. Really, I don't have a whole lot for us. Maybe the $30 double bottom, if you look at a daily chart, might be where you have to look. But there's not much I would do with this one at the moment. So we'll let it play itself out. Let's go to Kellogg's, ticker symbol letter K. Kellogg's right now trading at $59.39. Stock closed at $59.40. No movement there. Let's take a look at the pre-market movement. $56.25 right now. So nice little haircut there. I could have some levels ready for Kellogg's. In fact, I'm going to give it to you right now. Anywhere around 55, 55.10. A lot of support still for Kellogg's. Next up, want to take a look at one more here. We're going to go with Yeti. Yeti right now trading at $30.95. Closed at $33.92. I'll have levels for this one too. So again, this hasn't been around all that long. I guess it's been around since October of 2018. Yeti's been a strong name, but today falling on the back of earnings. So again, this will be in play this morning. I see a level already right from here. So again, Yeti will be in place. We're going to have some decent amount of gap plays this morning. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. We're having a banner 2019 in the chat room. And again, we're going to look to keep that going really into the end of this month and beyond. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading down 13 points. So we did not get the dovish Fed. That is knocking gold down. Gold was already in a downtrend. And you can see today the GLD down pretty decently, trading at 119.91. It closed at 120.41. Spot gold down 13 points. Crude oil this morning down $1.16 to $62.45 a barrel. That's a decent drop for crude. If you take a look at the USO this morning, that's trading at around 13 bucks. So again, oil under pressure, gold under pressure. The dollar for the most part has been very, very strong, although that is flat this morning, and we'll see what we get going forward. But again, lots of gap plays, lots of action out here. If you haven't done so, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.